Good morning, class. Let's start exercise 13C. First is fill in the blanks. If each element of set P is also an element of set Q, then P is said to be what, children? Subset of Q. And Q is a superset of P. Okay, class. Then every set is a subset of itself. Then third one, the empty set is a subset of every set. If A is proper subset of B, children, then cardinal number of A is less than cardinal number of B. Okay, class, cardinal number, the number of elements in a set. Okay, then comes question number 2. If A is equal to 5, 7, 8, 9, then which of the following are subsets of A? Remember the definition of subsets? So 5 and 8, yes, they are in this set. So B is a subset of A. Then C is a subset of A. No, children, because 0 is not there in A. Then 7, 9 and 10. But 10 is not there in A. Then empty set is a subset of every set. So yes, E is there. Then 8, 7, 9, 5. It is a subset. 8, 7, 9. Yes, it is also a subset of A. So first, fourth and fifth. Then comes question number 3. If P is 2, 3, 4, 5, then which of the following are proper subsets of P? 3 and 4, yes, A is a subset of proper subset of P. Then empty set is also there, fine. 23 and 45, no, they are not there in P. 6, 5 and 4, but 6 is not there in P. 0 is not there in P. So only first and second. Then comes question number 4, children. If A is even numbers less than 12. First of all, write this in roster form. Means write the elements. A is even numbers less than 12. So even numbers divisible by 2. And we have to take till 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now, B set is given, C set is given, D and E are given. State which of the following statements are true. B is a subset of A. Yes, 2 and 4 are there in A. Fine, true. C is a subset of A. No. 1, 2, 3. But 1 is not there. So no, false. Then D is a subset of C. No, 6 is there but 6 is not there. So false. D is not a subset of F. Sorry, A. Right. D is 2 and 6 and it is there but it is saying it is not. Instead it is there. So this statement is false. Like this you will do these two yourself. Now question number 5. Given A this, B this and set C this. What is set C? Set of digits used to form the number 1351. So set A, AC, set B, PQR and set C 135. He said na, sets of digits used to form the number this. So from these digits only we have to make the set, that is 135. Next line he says write all the subsets of sets A, B and C. Write all the subsets. Now let's write the subsets of A. First empty set, then A, C and AC. Then subsets of B, empty set, then single P, only Q, R, then PQ, QR and PR, then PQR. Then subset of C, empty set, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 5 and 135 itself. Then comes question number 6. If A is PQR, then write the number of subsets of A. So how many elements are there in set A? 3. So n is equal to 3. The formula of subsets is 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the 4 to the 8, right? Then next part says if B is 5, 4, 6, 8, then number of proper subsets of B. Proper subsets. So what is the formula of proper subsets, children? 2 to the power n minus 1, 2 to the power 4 minus 1, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 16 minus 1, that is 15. Then C. If C is equal to 0, set C is equal to only one element, that is 0. Then number of subsets of C. N is, number of elements are there only 1. So subsets formula says 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. Then if m is equal to this, that is x is such that x belongs to n, that is natural number, and x is less than 3. First of all, write down the set m in roster form. X is natural number starting from 1 and less than 3. So 1 and 2. And then write the proper subsets. So n is equal to 2. Proper subsets formula, 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now last but not the least, question number 7. For the universal set 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Find its subsets A, B, C and D such that, now he has given the description, what is A about, what is B about, and what is C and D about. So A is even numbers. So from this universal set, children, you have to find out A, that is even numbers. So 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Then what is B? Odd numbers greater than 8. Odd numbers greater than 8. So greater than 8 but odd. 9, 11 and 13. Similarly, C, prime numbers. So 5, 7, 11 and 13, because they come in their own table. And last but not the least, D, even numbers less than 10. So even numbers but less than 10. So 4, 6 and 8. I hope this exercise is clear to you, children. Please do it yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.